Today, we're tackling two crucial messaging services for the AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner exam, Amazon SQS and Amazon SNS. Understanding how and when to use these services is key to answering questions about decoupled architectures. First, let's talk about SQS, the simple queue service. Think of SQS as a buffer or a waiting line for messages between different application components. This is a core concept called decoupling, which allows services to operate independently, improving scalability and resilience. For the exam, you must know the two types of SQS queues. Standard queues offer maximum throughput and at least once message delivery. This means a message is guaranteed to be delivered, but occasionally, a message might be delivered more than once, and the order isn't guaranteed. Use this when high throughput is critical, like for processing a large number of credit card validation requests. In contrast, FIFO, or first in, first out queues, are for scenarios where the order of operations is critical and duplicates cannot be tolerated. FIFO queues provide exactly once processing, and the order in which messages are sent is strictly preserved. An exam question might describe a system that processes user commands which must be executed in the correct sequence. This is a clear indicator for a FIFO queue. Now let's move to SNS, the simple notification service. SNS uses a publish-subscribe or pub-sub model. A publisher sends a message to an SNS topic, and that topic immediately pushes the message to all its subscribers. Subscribers can be anything from email addresses and SMS to SQS queues and Lambda functions. Unlike SQS, where consumers pull messages, SNS pushes notifications out. The key exam scenario for SNS is when a single event needs to trigger multiple actions simultaneously. This leads us to a common and powerful architecture pattern you will see on the exam, the fan-out pattern. This pattern combines SNS and SQS. A single message is published to an SNS topic. That topic then distributes the message to multiple SQS queues subscribed to it. Imagine a new user signs up. A single user-created message goes to an SNS topic. This fans out to a welcome email SQS queue, a CRM update queue, and an analytics queue, allowing all these tasks to be processed in parallel and independently. A common exam trap is confusing the use cases. If the question involves distributing a single message to multiple independent consumers for parallel processing, think SNS with SQS in a fan-out pattern. If the question is about buffering messages for a single worker or ensuring tasks are processed in a specific order, think SQS. Also, remember that SQS consumers pull messages from the queue, while SNS pushes messages to its subscribers. Here's a simple way to remember the difference. SNS sends SQS queues. SNS sends notifications out to many subscribers, while SQS queues up messages for reliable, pulled processing. For free practice questions, AI-powered explanations, and more exam prep tools, visit openexamprep.com. That's openexamprep, all one word, .com.